Nigukoretwo na hahu ya utheremu wa murimu wa MPox kuma murwaru umwe kuonekana na murimu uyu na mundu ungi umwe uria urekuirwo gukorwo na murimu uyu kuonekana thibitari-ini imwe Thika. Ni undu wikirirwo ni thirikari iriire gutigirira murimu uyu ndunatherema guku bururi-ini na hari guteithiriria mihang'o ino. Kambuni ya REVITAL Healthcare iria ithondekaga indo cia urigitani kaunti-ini ya KILIFI ikoretwo IHENYAINI guthundura macini cia guthima na gukurana murimu uyu na ihenya kugiririria utheremu waguo. Murugamiriri munene wa wendia kambuni-ini ino Vora augite matashukitie makinya maya thutha wa ruhonge rwa kimabũrũri rwa ugima wa mwĩrĩ WHO kwanirira murimu uyu ta ugwati makiria mabũrũri-ini ma Afrika, akiuga ni mari na uhoti wa guthondeka indo cia urigitani makiria ma bilioni 1.5 o mwaka.
We're producing currently HIV, malaria, hepatitis, pregnancy. We're going into dengue, syphilis, and now we're going into MPox. MPox was recently, just this week, launched as a WHO outcry around the world. And what we do as a team always, we sit down and we see what is this pandemic which has come and what products can we innovate as a local manufacturer to support not only Kenya, but to support the world. So very soon, and I mean by very soon, REVITAL will be launching its very own rapid test kit antigen for MPox.
Kambuni ino ni yuritie thirikari kunyitanira nao hari uguri wa indo iria mathondekaga. Afitha wa ukinyaniru wa indo ici akiuga uthondeki wa indo cia urigitani ni ukinyanirie ikiro cia kimabũrũri kuona makoretwo makiendia indo ici nja wa bũrũri na gicunji kia 65% hari igana.
What we need is a combination of efforts from all governments of this continent. We will work with all the regulatory bodies. We will even try and work with the government of Kenya to ensure that Kenya is the first manufacturer in the continent of Africa to introduce rapid antigen test kits for MPox.
Kiama kia athurimi a mohoro Kenya Editors Guild aria maracereire kiganda giki kiugite riri ni ikinya inene hari kugacirithia motungata ma urigitani bururi-ini na ni hari bata thirikari kuhimbiria uguri wa indo iria ithondekagirwo guku bururi-ini.
And as journalists, we are going to what we call a niche kind of reportage, that we have capacity in Africa to do our things. And most importantly for us in Kenya, that we are doing it at home. We are now rewriting the story, that the African story is changing. It's not just we have to get products from outside.
After the sterility testing, the chemical testing, and we approve that the product is well sterilized and it doesn't have any chemical residue, then now we can release the goods. So we follow the regulatory standards like the ISO standards and the WHO PQS, and we make sure that whatever we are manufacturing here is according to what the standard requires.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV kuma gĩcũa-inĩ kaunti ya KILIFI, rĩtwa rĩakwa ni Ndegwa wa Gathũngũ.